Okay, now the Sash weighs 12 kilograms. These weights weigh 10 kilograms. And so we're going to make weight up with a roll of lead. I prefer it like this because it's easier to carry around rather than having a massive weights. Now the only downside of this is that to start this is what we call code 4. Yeah, so it's quite a bit thicker. So what I've done is in order to curl it up, it takes a lot of force. So what I've done is I've made a little paddle with a slot in the bottom, which fits over the end of the lead. I press it down, and that is now absolutely spot on for me to be able to curl the lead, and then it's simply a matter of rolling it up with the screwdriver. It's dead simple. If it isn't simple, you're doing it wrong. Now you'll notice that this is going skew with, but that doesn't matter because a couple of taps of the hammer and it gets back on. And we need it to be the same thickness as the weight. So now, to cut that, you take the knife, Stanley knife, and just score it. Keep your fingers out of the way, because Stanley knife blades can be quite sharp. Roll it back and forwards, and there you have your weight. Now in order to hammer it down, there you have the perfect make weight. When I put that on there, it now comes up to 12 kilos. It will balance. All I have to do now is cut that in half. And the way I do that, put it in, the top saw with a metal cutting blade. Otherwise it all goes, well, it blunts the blade very, very quickly. Whereas with a metal cutting blade it doesn't.